Hey everyone! Today I want to explain the key differences between recording rules and recorded queries in Grafana. Recording rules are used to pre-compute frequently needed or computationally expensive queries. They continuously evaluate expressions and store the results as new time series, which significantly improves query performance and provides higher default retention. Think of recording rules like a calculator that's constantly doing the math for you in advance, so when you need the answer, it's already there waiting. This is highly beneficial for log queries, and I dedicated an entire video on this topic a couple of months ago that also shows you how to create recording rules. You can find the link in the description. The main benefits of using recording rules include better query performance for frequently accessed data, higher default retention periods, reduced load on your underlying data sources, more efficient resource usage. On the other hand, recorded queries are more like taking a snapshot of your query results at the time you run them. They don't update automatically and are useful when you want to preserve specific query results for later reference. When deciding between the two, consider whether you need real-time, continuously updated results, that means recording rules, or if you just want to save specific query results for future reference, that means recorded queries. In both cases, make sure to match the range of the query with the query interval. So if you run the recording rule or the recorded query every minute, make sure that you're only aggregating a time range of the last minute. This way, you're neither losing information nor have a performance impact. In both cases, you can query the created, aggregated, or recorded metrics from your Grafana Cloud Metrics data source. Thanks for watching.